how to reactivate your Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can reactivate your Snapchat account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to reactivate our Snapchat account, first of all I have set my account for deletion or deactivation, and now I want to change my mind and then log in back into those accounts. Well, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up Snapchat and then go to the login page over here. Once you tap on the login page, it says that after you enter your email address and password of the account that you're trying to reactivate, it says your account is currently deactivated, would you like to reactivate it? So if you receive this pop-up, then you just have to tap on the yes button. But if it says that your account has been deleted, then you will not be able to go ahead and reactivate the account. Now in my case, I just happened to deactivate it, so it's asking me to wait for a couple of minutes before I try to reactivate it. It says please wait a few moments for your account to be reactivated, then try accessing your account again. And after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully log into your Snapchat account. And that's all it takes to reactivate your Snapchat account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.